Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is dance. What does dance mean? Well, simply put, dance means to move rhythmically, usually to music. It's an A1 level verb, perfect for beginners in English. You use your body and move in a pattern. You might dance at a party, at a wedding, or even alone in your room. It's a fun way to express yourself. Let's explore some synonyms for the word dance. A close synonym is sway. We can say, the trees sway in the wind. You can also sway gently to the music. Another synonym is groove. It's a more informal word, but it means to dance in a relaxed and enjoyable way. For example, he was really grooving to the music at the concert. Another synonym is boogie. They boogied all night long at the disco. It implies energetic and lively dancing. We can also use the word jig, especially to describe a fast, lively folk dance. For example, the Irish dancers performed a lively jig. Finally, we have prance. While prance can mean to dance, it also often implies a slightly showy or arrogant way of moving. You might say, the horse pranced around the field. Now, let's think about antonyms for dance. What words mean the opposite of moving rhythmically to music? A good antonym is stand. When you dance, you are moving, but when you stand, you are not moving. For instance, he chose to stand and watch instead of dance. Another antonym could be sit. She preferred to sit and chat rather than dance. To sit implies stillness and inactivity. Another antonym is rest. To rest means to stop moving and relax. After the long dance, they needed to rest. And finally, we can use freeze as an antonym, especially if we consider freeze in the context of staying completely still. For instance, they played music, but the children froze instead of dancing. How can we use the word dance in everyday life? Well, you might say, I love to dance at weddings. Or, she's taking dance lessons. You could also say, he's a really good dancer. You might ask, do you want to dance? Or say, let's dance. The music makes me want to dance. Here are some more usage examples of the word dance in sentences and phrases. They danced the tango beautifully. The children were dancing in the rain. She has a beautiful dance costume. The dance competition is next week. He's learning to dance the waltz. I saw them dance at the party last night. The rhythmic dance mesmerized the audience. The couple shared a slow dance. They practiced their dance routine for hours. The leader called for a dance break. She joined the dance club. The dance floor was crowded. It's a popular dance song. The festival includes traditional dances. He's going to a dance on Saturday. It's a very lively dance. She loves to dance in her free time. They will dance until 10 p.m. The instructor told them to start dancing. The music is perfect for dancing. Do you know any good dance moves? She enrolled in a dance class after work around 6 p.m. Let's review. Today, we learned about the word dance, which means to move rhythmically, usually to music. We explored synonyms like sway, groove, boogie, jig, and prance, and antonyms like stand, sit, rest, and freeze. We also discussed how you can use dance in your everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word dance. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Now it's your turn. Create your own sentence using the word dance and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.